Wholesome delights nutritious recipes for your little ones. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to share some delicious and nutritious recipes specially crafted for your precious little ones. Join us as we demonstrate easy-to-make recipes suitable for infants and toddlers, emphasizing balanced meals and snacks that will delight their taste buds while nourishing their growing bodies. Healthy recipes for babies and toddlers, fueling growing bodies with flavorful foods. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Arthur, and I'm thrilled to be your culinary guide today as we explore the world of healthy recipes for babies and toddlers. At this stage of life, providing nutrient-rich foods is essential for supporting their growth and development, and we've got some tasty treats in store for you. Let's kick things off with a nutritious and delicious breakfast option: banana oatmeal pancakes. These fluffy pancakes are made with whole-grain oats, ripe bananas, and a hint of cinnamon, providing a wholesome start to your little one's day. Next up, we have a vibrant and colorful veggie mash, perfect for introducing your little one to a variety of vegetables. Simply steam or roast a selection of vegetables, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, and broccoli, then mash them together for a tasty and nutritious meal. For a quick and convenient snack, try our homemade applesauce. Simply peel and chop apples, then simmer them with a dash of water and a sprinkle of cinnamon until soft. Blend until smooth, and you've got a naturally sweet and satisfying snack that's perfect for little hands. Now, let's move on to lunchtime with our mini veggie frittatas. These bite-sized frittatas are packed with protein and veggies, making them an ideal option for a balanced meal. Plus, they're easy to customize with your little one's favorite ingredients. Last but not least, we can't forget about dessert. Our creamy avocado and banana pudding is a guilt-free treat that's sure to satisfy your little one's sweet tooth. Made with ripe avocados, bananas, and a splash of coconut milk, it's a nutritious alternative to traditional pudding. In conclusion, feeding your little ones nutritious and flavorful foods doesn't have to be complicated. With these simple and wholesome recipes, you can provide balanced meals and snacks that support their growth and development while encouraging a love for healthy eating from an early age. Thank you for joining us as we explored these nutritious recipes for babies and toddlers. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more culinary inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking!